Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of emulated on the application of Candy Crush Saga. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we search about Candy Crush Saga. Here in this page you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your attention. See you next time.